Panis. Support lang yon. Natay nakakabahan na yung kalaban.
Let me go.
Prepare for battle.
Boy.
One, come all.
Double down pa.
Double down, no? Double down, no?
Step to it.
My hero.
Oh, patay. Kagulo sa last hit talaga. Face boots.
Threads.
Okay.
Threads na lang.
Just because
Eh, patay courier ko, gago.
Has been killed.
May tao pala
Hindi
doon.
na takbo.
itchy feet. My hero. Wind me up.
30
Who
seconds
wants
to
to
battle.
be my next
Hindi ko
audition?
Hindi ito.
I think I can handle it.
Magkano yung courier ko? 25.
Who asked you?
Malaki din, no?
Punch pala.
This circus
You're doing very well. I'm very proud of you.
Hindi pala napipake ko.
scouting location.
Tinry ko. Pumapalo
Wala.
agad eh.
One gear in front of the other. Places, people.
Nakatingala yung hero ko eh.
Right up.
Nakatingala.
What's the ballyhoo? My master should have built
Oh,
me
play
with
yung Earth
wheels.
Spirits. Nakakwiling plate. Okay, farm ka lang. Tapos tirahin mo yung mga mini natin, yung mga malapit na mamatay, mga ganon.
Bringing my stuff.
Nice, yan, tama yan.
First blood. Strygor's tracks run
Show
red.
on the road.
Huwag ka munang umikot.
Hindi, parang hindi niya ma-deny.
Ah,
Coming soon to a
napush yung
village near
kabilang
you.
wave eh. Gago na si Ward. Oh, yun pa. Kinomsatan ako.
Proper blocking is paramount.
Tayang, pangit na table. Hindi ito nauubos eh. Pang delay lang.
I'm the leader of this show.
Para umangat lang yung creep.
Next stops. Not my pleasure.
Angat na yan.
Nothing will please me more.
Kung mag-hook. Okay, farm ka lang dyan. Isa pa tira. Ay. Antayin mo yung pangatlo. Yan.
Pag-range, tatlong tira yun, di ba? From tower.
Bobo. Kaya mo ha. Pag-block mo pa. Pakang mo na lang.
What? No advance?
Uy, ulul, motherfucker. Good game.
Wind me up.
Cool.
Hindi, yan mo lang. Teka, tatlo ko lang kanina sa torre.
Radiant's
Okay lang, nauna siya mamatay, no? Oo nga, nauna siya mamatay. May XP ka dun. Pero hindi maganda kasi Eric eh.
Humble origins, but now I puzzle. Who asked you?
Tinalag ko na, nandun na rin ako.
Wala kang magagawa.
I'm the leader of this show. I don't use carrots so much. I love to stop and smell the lotus.
Gago.
Places, people.
Tsaka sa creeps nila. Ako dito manggugulo.
What's the ballyhoo?
Go. Okay, buhay ako dyan. Hindi ako mamatay. Patay natin yan. Patay na, di ba? Basic.
Ah,
Tama na, hindi mo kaya yan.
I hate rope.
Tuloy ka lang yan, hindi mo kaya.
I should have stolen.
yeah, hindi na. Ted, lumaban.
Oh, bobo ka ba? Fuck you. Bobo ata to eh. Hindi ko pa alam may magic stick pa ako, bitch. Oh. Ikaw ay, bobo. Tanga ka pala eh.
What? No
Okay, pupull ko
advance.
yung next. Kahit ikutan mo yan, yung creep wave na yan. Para ma-pull ko to.
Sige.
Getting in.
Yun lang.
Even my victims will be proud. Step right up.
Farming mo yung creep wave na yan.
Lotus.
I think I can handle it.
Hindi na.
Pulling up stakes. Let me go.
Bato na yan.
Ha?
Take the show.
May bawas ba tong bato na to? Ah,
Wala. Pag nag-ulti lang siya.
There. Just because I said
Bobo, hindi mo pa din. Tanga ka ba?
proper blocking is
Hindi
paramount.
man ganyan mag-block, bobo.
Don't worry, I'm never.
Oh, bobo.
Nothing would please me.
Busy yung mga skill nilo. Tanga.
One for you. Scouting location.
Okay, tama yan. Para may farm ka. Battle Fury ka. Ay, nag-place boots ka? Sige, yun yun. Tuloy mo na. Tapos Battle Fury mo sunod. Wala
Top
pa.
is missing.
Full ko ulit to.
Tick tock, time to die.
Battle Fury. Hindi may Storm Run.
Hindi, wag.
My
Battle Fury mo.
One here in front of the other.
Missing top.
I
ata.
think I can handle it. The knive's real, and the trick is that it's not a trick.
Tanga nito.
Wind me up. What? No advance?
Pwede mo tira-tirahin yung tank eh. Oh, asa.
Flower by any other name would be used. You forgot this.
Arcane power.
Ito.
Getting in gear.
Takbo. Tapo.
Go on,
Yeah.
show me a trick.
Ingat ka muna. Mag-ano ako, nanakaw ako ng try
Proper
ko.
blocking is paramount.
Yeah.
Someone is always sneaking around trying to steal my
Wala
tricks.
pa. Shh.
Goodness.
What's the ballyhoo? Come one, come all. I just had the most wonderful idea.
Dire's courier has been killed.
Thanks. Itchy feet. And the tears of the well. This circus travels.
Nakamit.
Places people.
Ay, puta na yung Pancho. Kinukuha yung wisdom. Tanga, nanakaw ko ng boy.
My pleasure. One. I can do it with my eyes closed.
Oh, boy.
Patay ka sa Omni yung di ba?
Let me go.
Kahit gumulong.
Ha?
Makapatay ka sa Omni kahit gumulong.
Maka-cancel ulti mo. Mawawala.
Cancel.
Takot to para
Okay.
makaano ka. Ikutan mo ito mamaya.
Yeah.
Who asked you? There.
Ah, nakablock na to.
Naka-block ulit. Okay lang, 8 minutes no.
I'm the leader of this show. Step right up.
You were doing very well.
Pwede
I'm
may
very
ulti dyan yung
proud of
Pancho.
you.
Pag mag-isa.
Just
Yeah.
because I said
Pero yung Earth Spirit nako, mahirap.
dialing up the violence.
Your middle tower is under attack. Dire's structures are
Tarasin ko na
fortified.
kaya.
Your middle tower is under attack.
Game tayo. Oh, easy. Master, patay ako pero okay lang. Patay na sila bago ako mapatay. Na-arcane ko pa kayo.
Radiant structures are fortified. Your middle tower is under attack. Dire's courier has been killed.
You're going to miss the best part.
Tangina, lakas naman mag-dota ng manon. Lakas ko naman.
Diyan na. Dito na sila.
Ingat ka dyan, wala ako.
Ay, si Pancha. Okay.
Scouting location. Step to it. Like a real boy. Come on! This isn't butchery.
Your top tower is under attack.
Be very still. Or, hey, look over here. Thrill me.
Your top tower is under attack.
What's the value?
Nahanap ata ako.
Step to it. Take the show on the road.
So hindi ko pala ma-om nitong isang to.
Pagka gumulong na siya, pagkatapos niya gumulong, yun tsaka mo umis na niya. Patay to, patay na, galing pa gold yun. Oh, patay pa to. Ay,
You can't improve until you make mistakes.
akin na din yun eh.
Pulling up stakes. Hey, I'm on the
Missing top.
there.
Vision. I am harsh.
This circus.
Lord, ako hindi nakakatalon. Okay, kayo mo na nalaman, hindi ako nakakatalon sa ano, sa ganito, kinetic build. Di ba may tumatalon si Ringmaster?
Ah,
Ano hindi tumagos? Yung lip ba, hindi rin nakakatagos sa ano?
Your
Static
middle
build?
tower is
Oo.
under attack.
Oo, sa kinetic hindi.
Ah, okay, sadya pala. Patay mo.
Your middle tower is
My hero.
Your middle tower has fallen.
F ko, galingan mo at tangahin yung timber ping feeling ko.
Let's reload.
Ah,
Nice one, patay ito ata.
sayang din, ang dami. Nakapag-TV sana.
Pinlim si timber.
Your bottom tower is under attack.
Now, where did our hands off?
Ay, ba't nakikinig nyo ba? Ano, gago? Siyempre. Opo. Ulol! Bakit hindi nyo ba kilala to? Ringmaster nga eh.
It's all part of the show. I'll keep the lion tamers shut.
Your bottom tower is under attack.
Kamu yun sa layo nun, hindi naman ko pa yun.
Your
You
bottom
were doing
tower
very
has
well. I'm
fallen.
very proud of you.
Hindi ko pa. Sa akin na dapat eh.
Let's try something.
Lapit na.
Let me go.
Nakablock pa nga pala.
Your bottom tower is under
Okay
attack.
lang yun, minicap lang yun eh.
I can handle it. Some people call you friends. I call you co-stars. Who asked you? You can still perform when you're dead. Ah, this isn't butchery. It's art. Nothing would please me more. I'm the leader of this show. Pulling up stakes.
Hindi ba kasama?
Kahit wag mo na. Bilisan mo na mag-farm. Nakita mo pwede mo i-stack mo, tapos tsaka farm. That Fury
Your
ka na
top
nga eh.
tower is under
Usually
attack.
12 minutes Fury na dapat.
Dire's structures are fortified. Your top tower is under attack. Your top tower is under attack.
They'll hear of me in every city and every what?
The element.
Your top tower has fallen.
Get over here, you fools.
Anong max runs?
Manta!
Man pa. Sundar din yung bot.
Hindi namatay. Ay, nakatakas ako. Takot na. Tagal ko na, office na siya. Wag mo na yung office na siya na. Sayang. Kahit palo lang, okay na yun. Overkill. Pero okay na din, para maangas ka.
Disruptor, kaya kung ano-ano nang binibindot ko.
Oo nga eh. Kahit paluhin mo na lang yun eh, yung fudge. Wala na siyang gagawin eh. Sakto kasi sa old ni Disruptor, ano mo, dating mo.
Scouting location. Wind me up
Man pa.
like a real boy. Come one, come all. Better than an ace note. This thing is solid gold. Cut. Who asked you? My pleasure. There. Let me go. Yes. This circus travels.
Dala ka lagi TP kasi may daya yung hero mo eh. Pwede kang umikot, tapos
What?
TP ka
No
uwi.
advance?
Walang ka-cancel nun. Ang
Hindi pa,
ka-cancel
nasa
lang
ako,
yan.
nasa backpack, nasa Korea.
Step
Ang
two.
ka-cancel lang yan, ulti ni Punch, tsaka home.
Step two.
Yun lang.
I think I can handle it.
Where do they all fit? Perfect.
Okay, mabubuhay pa to.
Wind me up.
Nangatak.
You're doing very well.
Tatlo na huli ko, finish mo ka. O, diba? Punta, wobong combo tayong dalawa, sir! Let's go! Let's go! Okay, on the way ako sa'yo. Okay, may nasa likod ka. Pag-iganti mo, mapalaga mo ito nasa likod.
Yeah.
Okay, buhay pa ako. Ano mo, no? Ah! Ah!
Everyone's a quitter.
Out ka na, out ka na. Pwede ka na umikot ng TP. Pagka hinabol ka pa ng sobra. Pag may glitch naman yan, pwede ka rin umikot. Pero wag agad-agad ah. Yung pagka-feeling mo, mababalik ka na niya. Kasi mamaya masaktuhan.
Sige.
Sala ka ng ano, yari.
Lapit na. Manta. 1.5 pala to.
The torture has just begun. Pulling up stakes.
Basher. Basher ako.
What's the ballyhoo?
Pwede. Hindi, ags na lang.
Bilisan. Ags next.
Oo, ags mo na lang.
I can handle it.
Sige.
I'm the leader of this show.
Radiant's courier has been killed.
Let me go.
Your top tower is under attack.
Places, people. What? No advance. Step to it. Yes, yes. Bounty. Time for taming. Ah. Just because I say.
Nakawala ata.
Scouting location. Getting in gear.
May sod ako.
Tara, pwede lang sumama.
Blocking is paramount.
Medyo na yung TP ko.
Step right up.
Type na natin.
Take the show on the road. Come one, come all. Nothing would please me more.
Ituloy.
Radiant's courier has been killed.
Anong build mo?
Who asked you?
Oo, ags na nga. Tama. Kaya, huli mo lang. Kaya ata. Kaya, kaya. Nagtama ako kaya. Lima ako. Ah,
Very well. That was unreal.
Yes.
Tara, push.
push tayo, push tayo.
Places, people. Your coin is purloined. I think I can handle it.
Nada mo ah.
Itchy feet. Wind me up.
Push.
Galing ko mangulol. Kita mo yung mga ginagawa ko to? Nahulol ko yung
pinaglalaban.
tsaka ano. Ako yung nakahabol yung AM eh. Yung tumatalon yung hero ko, tumatagdag yung buhay.
Like a real boy.
Radiant structures are fortified.
Tapos TP ka sa top pagkabasag mo ng torre dyan.
Sige.
Sabihin nilang ano, Unahan mo na sila. Ang dime farm sa top. Kuhain mo yan.
Take the show on the road.
The enemy's bottom tower has fallen. Your top tower is under attack.
Pag nakads mo, dagger ka.
I'm the leader of this.
Okay.
There. This circus travels. Step to it.
May atas para si ano. Punch.
Getting in gear. Boundless magnificence. Scouting location.
Kasing farm mo lang
My
yun pala.
pleasure.
Mas mataas lang level mo, gawa ang diamond kill.
One gear in front of the other. Proper blocking is paramount. What's the ballyhoo?
Namafarman.
Nothing would please me more.
Ito sa laptop.
Step right up. Don't worry, I never miss. Just because I said dance. Nothing would please me more. Scouting location.
Ingat ka, ingat ka. Makabulti sa'yo yung axe mo, nakatago. Sa pwesto mo, back.
Oo.
Step to it.
Lipat mo, stats kasi yun. Okay, on the way kami. Tiis lang. Oh, ganda na ginawa ko. Putang ina. Teka, kailangan ka to. Hindi maaari.
You're doing very well.
Ah, Vader. Master Vader.
Hindi ko napansin na rin. Kaya sabi ko nasa yung odds ko. Nasa backpack pala.
Ay, gago. Ganda ko yun.
Ano next ko? Dagger.
Dagger.
Ito ang dami ng pindutin ah.
Oh, ganun sa Giant.
Come on, come on.
Wala pala tayong neutron.
Wala pa naman din.
This circus
Ito kuha ko.
7 minutes mo.
Radiant structures are fortified.
the show on the road.
Tuloy mo yung push.
Ano nabasag? Punta akong top.
Tuloy natin
Sige.
yung push mo. Tuloy.
I think I can handle it.
The enemy's bottom tower has fallen.
Oy! Back!
It's under attack.
Tanga!
Lovely jingle. Death to hecklers.
Lumaban.
Maniwala kayo sa akin dahil ako yung string queen. Okay, yung mga low rank na lang. Okay? Ito, bina-voice chat ko sila. Kaya mo na makinig. Kaya post one si bakit pa. Sige, tuloy mo yung push dyan.
Proper blocking is paramount.
Wala namang dito.
Who asked you?
Radiant structures are fortified.
Itchy feet.
This is a good opportunity to learn.
Kunin ko tong outpost.
Punta dyan. Tuloy mo yung tulak dito sa baba. Nasa mid.
The enemy's
Sa mid
middle
yun.
tower has fallen.
Right.
There. What? No advance.
Wala pa.
One gear
Uy, may
in
tao dito.
front of the other. You forgot. this.
Gago ka ba? Hindi mo papatayan nung nakalunos yan, pre. Ay, gago ka! Hindi maaari ito. Maaari yan, pre. Ah, yun lang. Nahuli ako. Nahuli ako. Yan. Oh, alang yan. Omni slash.
Yung ano yan, yung isa.
Yung act. Oo, okay lang, okay lang.
Ito.
Tore
Sip.
ka, tore. Pwede may ikot mo ah. Tore, tas back.
The enemy's middle tower has fallen.
Where are we?
Saan next?
Ano bang next?
Blessing.
Hindi. Bisal mo.
Sabitan ka.
This service makes even more perfect. My pleasure. Perfect.
Your middle tower is under attack.
Tara doon. Tormento na.
Show on the road.
Tara. TMT.
Places, people.
Benta ko lang.
Ano kaya?
Yes, yes.
Tapos... Tapo mo na rin yan, no? Yung ironwood.
Wind me
Wala ka
up.
naman ng slot.
Ayun yun. Oo.
Ginagawa nitong niche na to.
Proper block knives.
Gago sa akin. Sige, sige, lahat. Okay.
Here. Step right up.
Naga si Roy.
I've been saving this one.
Gago, ayaw. Hindi siya global. Shit. Wala ko global to. Hindi pala.
Getting in gear. Cry about it. Let me go.
Pares.
Tara, Roshan na lang.
Who asked you?
Tara, sakto dito.
Gawin.
What? No advance. Only one way to do it. We do this trick differently in my shop. Just because this.
Nakalating ko rin. Basher.
Ang i-abisan mo dyan kahit sino, okay na.
Hindi, anong alisin ko ngayon? Basher.
Oh, Basher.
Let's go.
What's the ballyhoo?
Mahalaga yung iba eh.
I think I can handle it.
Your top tower is under attack.
Si Ian naglalawat.
Parang sino yun? May nakita akong hero
Like
dito.
a real boy.
So,
Nice,
disrupt.
nahuli niya, gago. Iba,
Your top tower is under attack.
You were doing very well. I'm
Ayan.
very proud of you.
slow ng ulti ko kahit pa paano.
You were doing very well. I'm very proud of you.
Ballyhoo.
Your top tower has fallen.
Come one, come all.
Tara, tuloy lang. Go.
Wind
Okay.
Your top tower is under attack.
I think I can.
Dire's
May pinahihirap.
structures
Tara,
are
tuloy. May
fortified.
tulak mo. What the fuck?
Radiant
It's not clips!
structures are fortified.
You were doing very well. I'm very proud of you.
Your top tower is under attack.
Paano mo din yung part ko ah? Kung ginagawa sila o... Ikaw ko.
Kailan mabalik ako?
The enemy's bottom tower has fallen.
Yun lang, ako. Sayang. Sisip slash ko na eh.
Gago. Ganda dodge. Atos mo pa. Abot.
Sayang. Wala katama.
Hindi ko matulak, gago. Malas, na-hook ka lang. Masyado nag-gritty kaysa objective.
Ano? Parang kailangan nating tapusin.
Kailangan, mararat tayo ng AM.
Your middle tower is under attack.
Hindi mag-push yun. Naka-basal pala.
Your top tower is
Parehas
under
kami na build
attack.
ah.
Mas may farm ka dyan. Walang sinabi yung kanya.
Mas marami.
Your bottom tower is under attack.
I'm the leader of
The
this
word
show.
Your bottom tower has fallen.
Pinasala ako.
Sakto.
Das. Das.
Hindi ba? Uy, no?
Itchy feet?
Hinihintay ko mag-cooldown yung, ay mag-ano yung dagat ko kasi.
I've been saving a brief residence finish. Just because I said
Matay gago. Totoo kaya yun? Sayang.
scouting location.
Andito yung ano.
Sarado.
There's a wheel.
Gawa mo ah. Gago.
Bills to pay.
Sana, punch.
Yes.
Barracks tayo sa baba.
The show must go on.
Healing word ka nga.
Your middle tower
matay
is
ako eh.
under attack.
Likod, no?
Cooldown.
The enemy's bottom barracks has fallen.
Ganda pala ng spotlight eh, oh.
The enemy's bottom barracks
Bilis lang ng
has
cooldown.
fallen.
Dito tayo, wag yan. Tirado, wag yan. Walang kwenta yan.
Radiant structures are fortified.
Nagawa-words ako dun ha, para pwede mo ano eh, tageran.
The enemy's middle tower has fallen.
Trabaho, trabaho. Oh yan, magandang gusto ko. Boy ako. Alright, top dito. Tama na boy. Wala na, mega na yung barang. Abisal mo ha, abisal mo. Nice. Patay din yan sa'yo, na-silent siya eh. Diba? Pwede mo na kayo end eh, sa totoo lang.
You were doing very well.
Rekta.
Enemy's middle barracks has fallen. Dire structures are
Okay, hindi mo
fortified.
kailangan ng mana. Sira. kills.
Tama na.
20 kills, 2 deaths.
The enemy's top tower has fallen.
Merving.
Papalipad.
Enemy's middle tower has fallen.
Oy! Anong mahook?
You were doing very well. I'm very proud of you.
The enemy's middle tower has fallen.
Ingat lang sa hook. Pag alam mo didikit na yung hook, i-flick mo yung manta mo pagka ganon. Para ma-dodge. Pang-asar.
Dire victory.
Ah,